Writer Kay has written an emotional new car share sketch in which his character John suffers a cancer scare. The sketch is part of a book published to celebrate the NHS. The book, called Dear NHS, 100 Stories to Say Thank You, features 100 stories by celebs as a tribute to the National Health Service. Turning to Kayleigh, John explained, "I went for a brain scan once. It was years ago. I kept getting these really bad headaches. Read more related articles. My GP said it was sinuses, but being a proper hypochondriac, I thought B********************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************************** So I booked in for a brain scan. He continued, I went for the best of Simon and Garfunkel. I love them and they would have been the perfect choice if the first song hadn't been The Sound of Silence, with the opening line, Hello darkness my old friend, I've come to talk to you again, and there's me laying in this MRI machine having a brain scan. Read more related articles. It got worse in the third verse. The lyrics are silence like a cancer grows. I was in tears. I was ashen when I came out. I told the nurse. I said I thought it was going to be happy, Mrs. Robinson and all that. She said a lot of people pick Frank Sinatra because they think it's going to be all fly me to the moon and New York, New York, but the first song is My Way with the opening line, and now, the end is near and so I face the final curtain. You'd be gutted. In a positive twist, the sketch ends with John added to Kayleigh that he never had brain cancer and it was simply his sinuses. Kayleigh asks him if doctors found anything, and John answers, no, nothing. The GP was right, it was my sinuses after all.